Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. I took the title to show you exactly what it does as opposed to mentioning the name of the product, which is Pet Comic Prompt Studio. It's one of the big sellers fresh out today. It allows you to use AI to create comic cartoon strips and to make a whole series of different products out of that. Completely copyright free, it's your own creation, and away you go. So this is brand new today. I want to do a video to show you inside because it's a comic, it's pretty hard to describe it. So let's go inside. Obviously, you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a bit of an article. There's a product box. You click the product box, boom, you're at the page. You can buy it for $17 today. And then a bit of a description of it, bit of a description of all the different things that you can create with it. And I'll just rumble through because I kind of referred to it. But you can create comics, obviously, quote designs, sticker sheets, patterns, greeting cards, memes, coloring pages, book covers. And they mentioned a couple more whodunit mystery comics and story comics with dialogue. So different ideas that you can do. And so he said yesterday, watch someone build a funny cat comic, a sticker sheet, and a coloring page from one idea in under 5 minutes. And they didn't draw, they didn't write a single prompt. And I'll show you that's inside. So you get down a bit of a description of that. The upgrade offers are there. You can get more of a library, more things, but $17 for the front end product with the joke formulas, scenarios, formats, coloring mode, story mode, book cover maker, the whole 9 yards, 17 bucks. So you can grab it that way. And let's look inside here. There's the pretty picture. I'm just going to show you here, rate of paste prompts for Midjourney and ChatGPT. You paste, the AI draws, and you turn the results, and I'll scroll a bit more down to show you this, into Etsy sticker packs, printables, print-on-demand designs, daily social points, posts, KDP comic books with the assembly guide, no art skills, no copyright worries, no blank page panic. There you go. There's kind of what you're going to be able to crank out. 17 bucks, like I said. I'm going to scroll down just more to give you a look at some of the pictures because all sorts of different things. There's a bit of a description here of the different styles. Look at that. 17 bucks, you'd be cranking it. I like this because it shows you some of the different things. So cartoon strips, this is probably the thing. So when they say quote designs, yeah, mugs, t-shirts, aprons, all that kind of stuff. Bam, your design, your creation, your mug sales, t-shirt sales, etc. Sticker sheets, that's fun. Sewing, wrapping paper, fabric created, birthday cards, that's cool too. And then the kind of crazy things to get attention. But do think more of along the lines of selling mugs and t-shirts. You can create stores with these cartoons and then just crank it out, basically print to sell, so that people order it, then they get it. And even things like mugs and t-shirts, they can do one-off, they can crank it out. And obviously it's a bit more expensive than doing a run of, I don't know, Chinese million t-shirts, but it's unique, it's distinctive. People are going to be willing to pay much more than the $5 that a cheap Chinese t-shirt, just a regular white t-shirt is. Now it's got, I love my stay at Jim's Hideaway Resort. I'm completely making that up, but picture that and picture how unique, one of a kind, and it can be as dumb as, now I'm thinking of I love my Labrador Retriever. So there with a crazy picture, down here I can see a cat and a dog, and there's so many things you can do with this. And again, 17 bucks. So I'm going to let you scroll through all of this. You get down, you can see all the stuff you can create, all the different styles. Pretty straightforward. Look at this. 3 steps. Pick your look and character, dog, duck or goose, the color pattern, body type, human. So you just click which one you want. Pick a joke and scenario, a joke formula and a scenario, or hit surprise me. So it can be that easy. And then generate, copy, paste. You pick your tool, which is the ChatGPT kind of thing, the ratio, hit generate and paste it into, and away you go. And you're setting it, and you can make different ones over and over and over again. So this can be attention grabbing on social media, of course, unlimited ideas. And I'm just going to scroll to the bottom wherever you get to the everything you get today, blah, 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 17 bucks. So like I said, so click the link, come to my site at marketingsharks.com, then click the product box at the top, just like the one that we started with, and you'll be able to grab a copy for 17 bucks. It's called Pet Comic Prompt Studio, fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.